بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Today, viewers of True Human channel will get familiar with the importance of brotherhood. And as always, we are offering this topic in Urdu as well, so those who prefer international language can bless themselves by listening to the same thing in Urdu on our channel. So let's move towards the topic. If we proceed our acts without hardiness, love, goodwill, and brotherhood, so our decisions will take a different turn. Brotherhood is as essential for a peaceful society as the tax is prerequisite for the government. Almost every major religion of this world commands brotherhood. Why don't we have a look at what the other religious books says regarding brotherhood? Quran. And hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together, and do not become divided. And remember the favor of Allah upon you, when you were enemies, and He brought your hearts together, and you became by His favor brothers, and you were on the edge of a pit of a fire. O prophets, indeed this religion of yours is only one, and I'm your Lord, so worship me alone. The believers are but one brotherhood, so make peace between your brothers, and be mindful of Allah, so you may be shown mercy. Bible. For whoever does not love their brothers, whom they have seen, cannot love God, whom they haven't seen. My command is this: love each other as I have loved you. Love each other with genuine affection, and take delight in honoring each other. Guru Granth. The one light is the light in all bodies. The one light is all pervading, only a few know it. Buddhism. On this auspicious day, let us remember Lord Buddha teaching and spreading the message of universal brotherhood and compassion for everyone. After all of these revelations and scripts, the Creator has created us in the form of universal brethren. The importance of this heavenly command and its requirements, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has explained in a very good way that can help us to reach the spirit of this thing. Narrated Jarir bin Abdullah. I gave the pledge of allegiance to Allah Apostle to offer prayer perfectly, to pay zakat regularly, and to give good advice to every Muslim. A Muslim is the brother of a fellow Muslim. He should neither commit oppression upon him nor ruin him. And he who meets the need of a brother, Allah would meet big needs. And he who relieved a Muslim from hardship, Allah would relieve him from the hardships to which he would be put on the day of resurrection. And he who did not expose the follies of a Muslim, Allah would conceal his follies on the day of resurrection. Allah's Messenger said, do not hate one another, and do not be jealous of one another, and do not desert each other. And O Allah's worshippers, be brothers. It is not permissible for any Muslim to desert his brother for more than 3 days. The Prophet Muhammad said, when a man loves his brother, he should tell him that he loves him. It's my humble prayer to Allah Almighty that we may understand the significance of brotherhood and to show love and compassion to all humanity. In the end, if you like our channel True Human, which offers the same educational topic in 2 different languages, subscribe to it and also press the bell icon. If you like our video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. Indeed, spreading good things is charity. God bless you. Goodbye.